The Haier 6200 BTU ultra-quiet window air conditioner is a reliable cooling solution for small rooms and bedrooms. With dimensions of 23.25 into 21.25 into 15 inches and weighing 56 pounds, this unit by Haier is designed to efficiently cool spaces up to 250 square feet. Manufactured by Haier and originating from China, this air conditioner boasts an ASIN of B083V76 MM7 and item model number ESAC 406TZ. It has received positive feedback from customers with a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 2,093 reviews, positioning it as a top choice in home and kitchen category, ranked at #24, 998 overall and #15 in window air conditioners. The white finish of the unit blends well with most interiors, adding a sleek touch to the room. This product comes with a 1-year warranty offering replacement, repair, or refund options, with a 90-day vendor return policy. It requires batteries for operation and includes a window installation kit along with a remote control for convenient use.